Hi guys! Today we're working on 4 different word problems. We're still working on addition and subtraction, okay? So we're going to read the word problem and then you're going to pause the video, work it out yourself, and then check your answer. Okay, so number 1, the 3rd graders raised $1,204. The 4th graders raised 476 fewer dollars than the 3rd graders. How much money did the 4th graders raise? Pause the video and see if you can work it out yourself. Okay, what are we going to do here is the first thing you're going to ask yourself. Go ahead and circle those numbers and underline the question. So the question is, how much money did the 4th graders raise? We know the 3rd graders raised $1,204, and it says the 4th graders raised 476 fewer dollars. So we don't know how much the 4th graders raised. It does say fewer. What did we learn that fewer meant? We learned fewer meant that it was less, so we're going to have to subtract. We're going to have to subtract the 3rd graders from the 4th graders to get how many the 4th graders raised. I'm going to erase here so I can line up so I can subtract without making any errors. I have the 3rd graders, subtract it by the 4th graders, always lining up your ones place. Start in the ones place, 4 take away 6. Can you do that? Nope. So you're going to have to regroup. Look to the 0. Can you regroup from a 0? Nope. So look to the next place. The 2 becomes a 1, and the 0 becomes a 10. Now the 4 can borrow from the 10 to make it a 9, and the 4 becomes a 14. 14 take away 6 is 8. 9 take away 7 is 2. 1 take away 4, can't do it, so you're going to have to regroup. 1 becomes a 0, and this one becomes an 11. 11 take away 4, we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 7. So the 4th graders raised $728. Did you get it right? Give yourself a star. Okay, number 2. Ken is driving from Highland to Chicago. The total distance is 734 kilometers. He has 468 kilometers left to drive. How many kilometers has he driven so far? See if you can do it first by pausing the video. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is circle the numbers and underline the question. The question is, how many kilometers has he driven so far? Well, we know his total distance is 734 kilometers. That's his total distance. He has 468 kilometers left. So that means this number plus another number is going to get us our total distance. Now we learned that the opposite of subtraction, or the inverse operation of subtraction, is addition. So here we have addition. Our opposite, or our inverse operation, is going to be subtraction. So let's use subtraction so we can subtract 734 minus 468 to see how many he has left. So we always start in the ones place. 4 take away 8, can't do it. So we're going to regroup and use the 3. The 3 becomes a 2, and the 4 becomes a 14. 14 take away 8, we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 6. 2 take away 6, can't do it, so we regroup with the 7. The 7 becomes a 6, and the 2 becomes a 12. 12 take away 6, that's a double fact, so we know it's 6. 6 take away 4 is 2. So we know that he has 266 kilometers left. If you got it right, give it a star. Let's go to the next one. Number 3. It takes Molly 21 minutes to mow the front lawn. It takes her 17 more minutes to mow the back lawn than the front lawn. How long does it take Molly to mow the back lawn? All right, you try to do it by yourself and then restart the video to check your answers. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is circle the numbers and underline the question. We know it takes Molly 21 minutes to mow the front lawn. I'm going to put an F for front. And it takes her 17 more minutes for the back lawn. 17 more. And the question is asking us, how long does it take Molly to mow the back lawn? We know it takes her 17 more minutes than the front lawn. We learned that more means that we're going to add. So we're going to add the front lawn and the back lawn to get the back lawn. So we have 17 plus 21. 1 plus 7 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. So it takes her 38 minutes to mow the back lawn. Nice job. Give yourself a star if you got it right. Okay, guys, last one. Number 4. Mrs. Boker's sunflower grew 31 centimeters in 1 week. The next week, it grew 7 centimeters more than the previous week. What is the total number of centimeters the sunflower grew the second week? See if you can do it by pausing the video and then start it to check your answer. All right, first thing I'm going to do is circle the numbers and underline the question. Okay, we know that it's asking us what is the total number of centimeters the sunflower grew the second week. The first week, it grew 31 centimeters, and the second week, it grew 7 more than the first week. There's that word more again. More tells us we're going to add. So we're going to add 31 plus 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. Bring the 3 down, and we get 38 centimeters. It grew the second week. Star if you got it right. Nice job.